Okay, guys, so we have the Shark Ion vacuum here. This is the R86, also known as the R87, and well, actually, this is the S86, my bad, and the S87. It's an R85 bot that comes with the base stand and the wand vacuum. We've had it for about 3 days now. So far, we've loved this vacuum. And I'm going to show you all the app right now. So this app, if I can focus, right now I have it paused. Tells us the battery. I can send it to dock. I can find where it is. Look at this history. I can schedule events. I can hit start. I can change it from normal to max to quiet. It's got roughly an hour runtime on normal, maybe a little more. Max, probably a little less, and quiet, it's supposed to get a little more than that. Now, with all robot vacuums, there are things that it will struggle with and things that it will excel at. Now, this is a random orbiting vacuum, or a random navigating, so it bounces back and forth, back and forth. It doesn't have the smart technology to do the lines. So it cleans very efficiently for how it is. Now this vacuum comes in at about $350 with the base and the wand, and I'll leave links in the description below. I went ahead and stopped it, and it picked up quite a bit. So lots of hair, uh, crumbs from the kitchen, and the filter is right here, so we can take that out if we need to clean it as well. So pop it back in, we'll dump this, and then we'll start it again. So I can hit the button, or I can come to my app and hit the play button. There it goes. Oh, it's taking the camera.